Welcome. In this lecture, we will talk about some of the contemporary developments for 2024 in the field of geography. We will be mainly pertaining to human and economic geography this time, and some of the aspects from basics of biogeography we would be covering. So, the following topics would be covered in this session, which is topics related to permaculture, enhanced oil reserve as one of the new developments that we can see. Desertification is increasing and how it can be combated. The major developments in the same line. India is witnessing a changing population dividend, we could say, or demographic dividend, and as a result, the geriatric population or the old age population is increasing. We would understand a brief case study on that. Similarly, we would deal with a case study on regional development where we'll be focusing on the textile laborers mainly from Tirupur. Talking about agriculture, we would be focusing on various schemes pertaining to agriculture which have been recently released. Implementation of AI and drone into agriculture, RDSS for power shortage and power conservation, and then we'll be doing a case study on soil conservation. This would be an international example with case study of black soil from Germany and Intel Fab establishment in Germany. So let's begin with the very first topic for today, and that is permaculture. Now, what is permaculture? Permaculture, simply I can say, is a land management technique where we are designing the settlements in such a way that they adapt themselves to the natural ecosystem. That means, technically speaking, there is no waste which is created, and this whole system is a kind of holistic system which is self-sufficient in itself. Now, this word was first given by Australian environmentalist, mainly Bill Mollison, and later on by David Holmgren, and this was in 1978. It was in the month of July in 1987 that this presence was felt in India for the first time, and when this was brought into India for the first time, it was believed that in Indian ancient text, we focused on Vriksha Ayurveda. Vriksha Ayurveda means the medicines that could be derived from plants. So, plant life and the science of plant life was the basic idea behind this ancient text, but it was realized that this could be brought into implementation through permaculture, and it was by the Aranya Agricultural Alternatives which was started in Hyderabad. So later on there were developments which was felt in the fields of permaculture. For example, we have in the Panchkula district the Ananda permaculture, which has nearly 6,000 trees intermingled with plants and creepers. Similarly, in the Oreville in Tamil Nadu, there is another such project where we have a farm to plate cafe with more than 250 different cuisines which are grown locally, and they range from fruits, vegetable, rice, and all millets. All this model was designed on the law of the concept which was given by a Japanese farmer, and this Japanese farmer talked about the concept of one straw revolution. This one straw revolution focused on do nothing farming. That means natural farming, let it allow to grow and without any intervention. So minimal intervention would be needed, and this was by the Japanese farmer Mansabubo Fukuoka, and this work has later on been brought into the field of permaculture and its science in India. So it begins with water conservation, building up contours, terraces, bunding of contours. Then we talk about soil conservation, where we focus on native trees to be planted. Then soil fertility, so composting, mulching as some of those aspects. Another interesting aspect I can say, let's say there is a mango tree which is planted. Now this mango tree, in the shade of the mango tree, you would have elephant yam which would be grown, and this elephant yam would have some insectary flowering plants that can serve as biological pest control, and they attract the insects that discourage the pathogens to grow. So this is a kind of holistic ecosystem that could be provided within itself. Similarly, nitrogen fixation for maintaining soil